Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm doing another Clean With Me challenge video. So last week I started this series where we're gonna be doing a cleaning challenge each week, and I'm gonna give you something that's gonna take you 10 minutes or less that you don't necessarily do every single week, and challenge you guys to do it as well, so that it gives you a little bit of motivation and some encouragement to get it done. Last week we did our first challenge, and I'll leave the link in the description box below and above in case you guys want to check out that challenge, and you can even let me know if you get that one done as well. But what I'm going to encourage you guys to do is after you get done watching, let me know if you are up for the challenge, and also let me know when you complete the challenge, so that way I can give you guys some praise for getting your housework done. Alright, so this week's challenge is going to be baseboards. So I actually did the baseboards while I was doing an ultimate cleaning. I was trying to get a lot of cleaning done, and I was gonna do it in one day, but then it ended up taking me two, so you're gonna actually see that in a video coming up. But I decided that I needed to go ahead and get my baseboards clean, but I thought that this would be a great challenge because I split it up into 2 days, so it would take me 10 minutes or less. And it's something that I don't do every single week, so I thought it was a good challenge for you guys to do. Alright, when I started my baseboards, I decided that I was going to use my microfiber hand cloth. It's the same one that you can get for your car. But I used it, I got it from the Dollar Tree, and then I just went around on all the baseboards and wiped them down with my microfiber cloth. After I was done doing all of the baseboards, then I went around with my magic eraser and just cleaned up any spots that needed to be touched up. And of course, if you're doing baseboards, you want to make sure that you do this before you vacuum, because I ended up having lots of hair and stuff like that needed to be vacuumed up afterwards, and luckily I was already cleaning my house, so that helped out anyways. Since I have upstairs and downstairs, I decided to break this up into 2 separate days. So in my ultimate cleaning challenge or ultimate cleaning video, you're gonna see me doing it as part of my cleaning that day. So I did the downstairs one day, and then I ended up doing the upstairs the next day. You could even break it up into 1 week you're gonna do the downstairs baseboards and 1 week you're gonna do upstairs. But whatever you want to do, it's totally up to you, but let me know in the comments below if you have accepted the challenge and if you completed it. And if you decide to make your kids do this challenge for you, then you can still leave me a comment below and let me know that it got done. But if your kids are like Gracie June, then they will only want to do it for about 2 seconds before they're ready to hand it back over. Alright, so that is it for this cleaning challenge. I can't wait to hear from you guys and see what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below, and give this video a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I leave lots of pictures of my family and do Insta stories and all of that, so you can follow me over there if you're interested, and I will see you guys in the next video.